webale kuba oli mulungi wa Nyahuka Online TV gandego amakuru gano agatakuleteyo obwaro agebwamba omusumi ali King amwe na JB ali mu product embula ya mani yatonia mbukia kilo kyobwaro yagengie edometri yabana bobukali abasenti pa grupio yayo amabati gona yaga kuna yaga kuba mu kihanda ikigindi hali a police Nyahuka ikasili abana basukuru ni baluye mbaterera mulanga weno kukikweto abebemberi ba madini abo byobulemi na wena wakuba kuyamba bana bani mungiri yona kubakwatira kubayamba mu byensomo yabo nanga ne gate yabo yona yegengiye yona ne metira kubugira eremo etaka abataki bato bana mukuru babaga yo ole kwatoreke nikibyabaga
Ernesto Koro ya St. Padre Pio ekusangiwa Nyahuka Bundibugyo district enedomo yabana bukali eyagwisikie yaruga mabati igarugoge ura murugude ruenda polisi Kasiri Road.
My name is Nyahuka Simon, a teacher at St. Padre Pio Primary School. Yesterday it rained cats and dogs, whereby even the rain left our dormitory very open, like the way you can see it. Even our children in primary 6 and primary 7, the girls, they got disturbed and everything was washed away by the heavy rainfall. So at the moment, our children, we shifted them to another dormitory, and we plan that by next time we shall be safe and they'll be safe. Very many property were destroyed, including the books, the mattresses, the bed sheets, and other things were disturbed by the heavy rainfall. So we call upon the government to come and intervene and to come and help us so that they can help us in this pandemic. Thank you very much. I remain as Nyahuka Simon, one of the teachers at St. Padre Pio Primary School.
My name is Alsamila Joy from St. Padre Pio Nursery and Primary School. I'm the head girl of this school. I'm in primary 7. Yesterday it rained the cats and dogs. We were in the dormitory after preps. It started raining. Then when it rained, us we were in the dorm. We hadn't select. It rained. It took away the roof, and also the woods were taken away by the strong wind. But finally, the matron walked up and opened another door. We were helped by the matron and other teachers. We thank the God who has protected us.
I'm Asimo Immaculate from St. Padre Pio Nursery and Primary School. I act as the school speaker. The government, you have seen how we have lost our materials, our mattresses, books, our files. So please help us, provide us with materials. You see how we have remained. Please help us to provide us with those materials. We thank the Almighty God who has protected us.
I am by the name of Mtegeki Geoffrey, head boy of this school. I come from Buganikele Town Council. It was yesterday when heavy rainfall rained at St. Padre Pio Nursery and Primary School, almost in the whole community. But at our school we were affected too much. I think the walls have went down, our fence is down now. Also electricity is not available in the school because there was electric shock.